Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download Sweet Home 3D on Windows 10. We have several options, and one of those is to get it from the Microsoft Store here. So if I go to the Microsoft Store, I can download it, but I have to purchase it first, which is not a problem. It's not very expensive, but it's nice and safe. It's PEGI 3, so you can do that if you like. But I'm going to show you how to download it and install it. It's slightly more complicated, but I'll show you how it's done. It's only going to take a minute. Anyway, so if we go to this download link here at SourceForge and press that instead, and we just wait a sec, it should automatically download. There it is. The bottom here says what I want to do with it. I just want to run it actually. I could save it and then run it from the file system, but I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to choose English because that's the language that I know, but you can choose your own language. Next, I accept the agreement. Next, I'm going to select 64-bit, so it's going to be saved into C program file, Sweet Home 3D. It's okay. Next, eText, that's the start menu folder. Next, create a desktop shortcut. Yes. Next, install, and off it goes. I can launch Sweet Home 3D now. Finish. I don't need the browser anymore. Okay, here we go. That's Sweet Home 3D. Loaded and ready to go.